In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to log in into your account on Fiverr. Now, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account on Fiverr. That's the first step you need to do, and you need to scroll down at the very bottom. You can see here, as you can see, in the let me just check right now. I'm going to show you guys how you can you just need to click on affiliates. As you can see, in the community tab, you want to find affiliates. Now, if it's not in the community section, you just need to find here affiliates. Okay, as you can see it here. Click on it, and here it says boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So this means each time you drive traffic to a gig on Fiverr, you earn a commission, and the commission is going to be like 10%. So if the price of the gig is like $100, you earn $10 by just driving traffic. So it's a good way to earn money. So what you need to do, guys, you want to click on start earning now. Now after that, you just need to fill these information. The first thing you need to do is your first name, which is Mohammed. The last name is Maftul. The email address, you just need to add the email address there. Okay, as you can see, this is my email address. The username, you just need to come up with a username, for example Mohammed 676 probably. The password, as you can see, it says here account exists for this username. Log in or use a different username to create a new account. So you just need to add another number, for example a few numbers. And here where it says the password, you need to add the password. Okay, you need to create a password here. So I'm just going to add this password. So I'm going to get the password right now. I'm going to you just need to come up with a password, and you need to do that 2 times. You need to add the password here, and you need to confirm the password. So you have to type the same password again. Okay, so I'm going to click on copy password, and I'm going to paste it here. And where it says here account type, you just need to add here private, because most people here want to they want a private account. Most people, you don't have like a company, as you can see, so go with private. And where it says, do you have a main source of traffic? If you have for example, if you are trying to promote gigs on YouTube, you just need to select yes. If you are trying to promote gigs on social media in general, like Facebook, Instagram, you need to click on yes, and you need to add here the URL of the website. So if it's Facebook, you need to add the URL of your Facebook. If it's YouTube, you need to add YouTube URL. Okay, I'm going to, for example, I just have like a channel, so I'm going to add the URL of this YouTube channel. So in the top, you want to copy it and paste it here. And the country you want to select the country that you are targeting. So if you are targeting, for example, United States, you need to go with United States. If you are targeting people from Morocco or Europe countries, you need to select here France or Belgium or whatever. Okay, so you need to enter here the country that you are targeting, and here the language. Okay, so I would like to target people from Morocco. I'm just going to select here Morocco right now, as you can see. And here it says Skype. So if you have Skype, you need to enter the Skype there. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter. Just click next. And here where it says tell us a little bit about yourself. So I just want to let you know that it doesn't really matter what you type here. You just want to know a little bit about yourself. So it says here, how do you plan to promote Fiverr services? So if you are trying to promote Fiverr services through YouTube or Twitch or social media, you just want to select this platform here. Scroll down, and it says here, what are your audience key interests? That means what your audience are interested in. So if you have a YouTube channel about graphic and design, you need to click to check here graphic and design. If you have if you are trying to promote, for example, video and animation, you want to go with video animation. So like I said, you just want to select the categories that you are trying to target. Now you want to check I agree to terms and conditions, and I agree to privacy policy. So you want to click register now. So after you click on register now, it will take you guys to this page, and let me show you. It says here, congratulations, you are a Fiverr affiliate. We are so glad that you have on your we have you on board, and we'll do our best to have future offers, stuff like that, content, your unique affiliate profile. So this thing, you just need to click on start doing. Now if you notice in the top, you are not signing up now for the normal Fiverr, you are signing up for affiliates.fiverr.com. if you notice in the top, so you just need to add here the password, which is the password that you have entered when you are creating affiliate. That password, so you need to do that, and the username is going to be the same. Okay, the same. When you enter the username, you enter the username and you enter the password. Okay, you remember the username. Like I said, you just need to add a few numbers, stuff like that, and then you want to click on log in. Now it will take you directly to the dashboard, as you can see, where you can see a lot of things. So I'm going to reload the page. As you can see, when I click on I agree to receive promotional, next, and just need to close this, don't show again, close. Now if you can see here the conversion rate, the clicks. So if you are trying to promote a link, if people click on that link, you will see the number here where it says clicks and unique clicks. So people who are interested in the gig, you will be able to know that. The CTR, so how many people saw the link and how many people clicked on that link. The CTR means click-through rate. The impressions, so how many people saw the link, how many people saw the gig or the link, okay, of the gig. And the commission is how much money you made, and FTB. So what you need now is you want to click on marketing tools, and if you're trying, for example, to promote gigs on your website, you just need to click on gig ads widget. So, and you need to find a gig here. It will give you guys a few different gigs, but you can specifically find a specific gig on here. When you click on select a category, you can just select a category that you are interested in. So you want to find something that you are interested in, click apply, and here you will find gigs that have something to do with like graphic design and stuff like that. So you want to click on the gig. As you can see, this is the gig. So each time you drive traffic to this gig, you will earn a commission. Okay, now this is the embed code, and this code, you want to copy it and you want to paste it on your website. If you are trying to promote this on website, you want to copy this code and you want to paste this code inside your own website. Okay, it's easy to paste a code on a website. If you don't know, you just need to search on YouTube how to paste a code on a website and put the website name, and you will find a lot of videos. But if you're trying to promote this, for example, with the link, as you can see, default deep links, private marketing tools. So if you are trying to promote using a link, you can do that. So as you can see, it says here Fiverr. So this is the link, as you can see, and this is also the links. As you can, Fiverr Business, Fiverr Earn, Fiverr Hybrid, and as you can see, if you paste this, if someone clicks on this link, it will take them directly to the gigs. Okay, as you can see, different gigs here. And if someone purchases a gig, you will earn a commission. As you can see in the top link, in the link, it says here affiliate. So the customer will not be able to see that it's affiliate link, but each time they buy something, you will earn a commission. Where it says Fiverr Hybrid, you can also like send them to a different section in Fiverr, which is the Fiverr Hybrid, or you can send them to Fiverr Earn. Okay, this link you can then promote it on YouTube, Facebook. Okay, so as you can see, you can find a lot of options here. As you can see, sub affiliates, and yeah, as you can see, all you do is create a deep link. So you want to click, if you, for example, if you are trying to promote a gig, click here, click deep link. As you can see, you will find a video here explaining how you can create like a specific link, okay, like about a certain gig that you are trying to promote. As you can see, so yeah, that's it, guys. It says here the commission is of 15 to 150 for a new buyer. So each time you drive traffic, you earn between 15 and 150, which is really good if you are driving traffic to Fiverr CPA. Just need to copy this URL and you want to start promoting the gigs. So if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.